Hello everyone, my name is Mharz, and in today's video, we are going to make some cream puffs. Now, I actually made a cream puff video in this channel before, but I just want to remake it with better quality? Lol, yeah right. Anyway, whatever. Cream puffs, let's go. First, let's make the choux pastry. For that, we need water, butter, salt, and all-purpose flour. In a saucepan, let's mix the water, salt, and butter and bring it to a boil. Once that's boiling, let's add the all-purpose flour. Keep stirring until it forms a ball like so. Let's transfer it into a bowl and add eggs one at a time. Keep mixing until it becomes smooth and gooey like this. After that, we will put the mixture into the piping bag. You don't really need a piping tip, just cut the end of the piping bag and pipe. You can pipe it in a straight line to make eclairs, but for cream puffs, we're piping it in the shape of a poop emoji. Before we put it in the oven, let's sprinkle some water onto the puffs. The steam from the water will help them pop well. Also, make sure to smooth out the top by tapping it with your wet finger so it doesn't burn. While the puffs are baking, do not open the oven ever. Just check it visually and wait patiently until it's golden brown. If you open the oven prematurely, the puffs might sink down and it will be sad. While we bake the puffs, let's make the cream. We will be making a custard cream. It's more rich in flavor than whipped cream and it really suits well with the choux pastry. For this, we need milk, sugar, egg yolks, vanilla extract, cornstarch, and butter. First, let's beat the sugar, cornstarch, and egg yolks together. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, let's mix the milk and vanilla extract. Stir the mixture on a medium heat until it comes to a boil. Now have your egg yolks ready because once the milk mixture started to boil, we'll take it off the heat and pour it onto the yolks. Now quick! Whisk it vigorously so we don't accidentally cook the eggs and end up with an omelette. Once it's all nice and smooth, we'll put it back in the saucepan and heat it up again. Keep stirring until the mixture is nice and thick. Mix the butter in, then we're gonna put it back into the bowl. And put a plastic wrap on top of it and put it in the fridge until it's cool. Now back to the puffs. It should be nice and puffed by now. We'll let it cool down as well. Once everything is cooled, we can finally pipe the cream into the puffs. I'm using this specific nozzle to pipe it in. But if you don't have that, you can also slice the top of the puffs and just spoon the cream in there. And we are done! I have to say, cream puffs are one of my favorite things to bake. It's a bit finicky and there's a lot of procedures for sure. But I wouldn't really say it's hard. Probably because I like these kinds of challenges, but I digress.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this remake of one of my old videos. I'm doing my best to slowly up the quality of the videos I make. Let me know in the comments below if I did better in this video or if you have any suggestion that I can make better still. If you'd like to see more, how about smashing that subscribe button and ringing that G-dang bell? Any kind of engagement will help this channel a lot. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
And since you reached the end, how about checking some of my other videos over there by the right of your screen? I'm pretty proud of these videos even though it's not professionally made, so give it a shot! Go on!